Hello guys, in this video I will show you I built out a multiplayer chess game which you can actually play with the computer AI bot and directly HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are running this game directly inside the browser. So I built it from scratch. This is a single file index.html as you will see. I opened it inside VS Code and it's almost 1,000 lines of code. I written it from scratch. So once you run this file inside your browser, it's easy for you to run this. The interface looks something like this. So right here you can actually choose your chess either white or black, and then you can simply select from the level if you want to play with the master, beginner. After click on start game, the game will start and actually the interface looks something like this. The computer will play as white and you are black. Now you will actually play with computer AI bot. So if you need the source code of this application, I've given the link. You can directly purchase it. I've written this completely from scratch. It's a static web application, directly chessboard game, directly runs in the browser. So as you make your move, the AI bot computer will actually think and make its move. All the moves will be recorded right here. At any moment of time, you can resign as well by clicking this button. So as you make the move, the computer will also make its move right here. As you can see, the interface is quite similar to actually the chess game. All the pieces are recognizable. It's completely usable on different mobile devices, tablet, desktop. So once you purchase it, it will be easy for you to customize it because this is actually a single file. Easy for you to run this as well. So it's directly built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we have built using. So as you can see, it's easy for. So as you make the move here, the computer will also make its move. Now you can actually play your chess game. So as soon as the computer is won, so checkmate. So game over, and you can click on play again as well, and choose the level. If you want to play with the beginner, master, click on start game. So now the computer will again play you again. So it's easy for you to purchase a domain name and also rank this as well. So if you are looking forward for getting a chess game, so you will see once you purchase the source code, you will exactly see how I coded this from scratch. You will see it's only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So as you can see right here, all this is coded directly. Actually, the full interface, the chessboard, UI clone, everything is built it from scratch. So the, this game runs directly in the browser. There is no backend. It's simply a static web application which directly runs in the browser. It doesn't require internet as well. It just runs offline as well. So it's just an offline game that you can directly play at any moment of time here, which also with a computer AI bot. So it's also a multiplayer chess game. So you will be playing with another player. So as you can see, the interface is also looks directly with the chess game that you see right here. So you are playing with the master here, which is level 5, which is the most difficult level. At any moment of time, if you want to resign, you can click this button and you can resign this game. Again, play again. You can select your piece here. Let's suppose I want to play with the white piece. And now you will open. After you open, the computer will respond here, as you can see here. So it's actually using this algorithm. If you don't know about it, it's actually using this algorithm, which is minimax algorithm for the computer AI bot. So we are using these minimax algorithm to actually write the game logic. So inside our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is almost 1,000 lines of code. So I written this using minimax algorithm. As soon as you play the game, the computer thinks of its own and make the move. So we are using that minimax algorithm for making this logic for playing with the computer AI bot. So makes it easy for you to actually. So you can just see here how easy it is to actually play. So if you're interested in this, guys, you can definitely purchase it. The link is given in the description. After you purchase it, you will automatically get this file from Google Drive automatically. If you still face any issues, you can contact me. I will definitely help you. And it's easy for you to deploy this as well. So it's just a single file which directly runs in the browser, and it's all in one chessboard game. So definitely check this out.